topic for discussion is a practical protocol of pteridophytes, and today's practical is the study of transverse section of the root of the genus Equisetum. Equisetum, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see how to do the practical. Requirement of the practical is we need glasswork material of Equisetum root, watch glass, slide, cover slip, we need blade, safranin, brush, blotting paper, needle and microscope. And in procedure what we have to do, we have to take a very thin transverse section of given material of Equisetum root and select a very thin section and stain with a drop of safranin and fast green combination. Mount in a drop of glycerin and then observe under the microscope. This is a temporary slide preparation. This is a temporary slide and we can see all the details under the microscope. We have to adjust the slide under the microscope and we have to note all the details. Let us see what we have to write in observation. The section appears almost circular in outline. It has a single-layered epidermis with a few root hairs. The cortex is often divided into outer cortex and inner cortex. Cortex is placed below epidermis. The outer cortex is few layered thick and it is made up of thick walled cells that gives mechanical support to the root. And the inner cortex is also few layered in thickness. The cells are large in size and the cells are parenchymatous with intercellular space. That is, the cells are loosely arranged by leaving intercellular spaces, and parenchymatous region, it is a food storing region. Next, cortex is separated from vascular tissue by a two-layered outer and inner endodermis. The pericycle is absent. Pericycle is absent, very important. The vascular bundle shows a single large metaxylem element in the center with 3 to 4 protoxylem triars to tetrarch elements surrounding it. That means when a large metaxylem is present at the center and 3 to 4 protoxylem elements are present at the peripheral region. Okay. The number of protoxylem groups increases with increase in the diameter of the root. The angles between the protoxylem are occupied by the phloem. Okay. This is the photograph of transverse section of root of the Equisetum. See, the root hairs are shown. Root hairs are modified epidermal cells. Single layered epidermis is shown in the photograph. It consists of barrel-shaped cells which are compactly arranged, and outer cortex is thick-walled, few layered in thickness. Inner cortex, it is parenchymatous cells, loosely arranged cells are thin-walled, and it is a food-storing tissue. Outer endodermis is shown, inner endodermis is shown. 2 layers of endodermis are present in this, and the metaxylem is placed at the center. Meta means large. Large vessel is present at the center, and protoxylem, proto means firstly formed or small vessels. Small vessels, 4 elements of small vessels are present at the peripheral region, and the space between these xylem elements is filled by phloem. Phloem is filled around the xylem tissue. Okay, this is a figure of transverse section of root. So this is all about practical of transverse section of root of the Equisetum.